Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Victoria Kamuona, and I'll be presenting on empowering the next generation in networking and... Okay. I'll be speaking on empowering the next generation in networking and cybersecurity. So I'll take you through the introduction, my story, the problem that we have at hand, how it affects us, and the importance of solving that problem. And then we're going to discuss some questions, and I'm going to conclude. So the context of this presentation is a delay in introducing networking and cybersecurity skills early in education. The central idea is the importance of exposure, the importance of early exposure and skill development in networking and cybersecurity for the next generation. And then when we're going to talk about when we're discussing the questions, we'll come up with the practical steps for empowering the next generation. So I'm going to share with you my story. When I was applying for university, I initially wanted to do civil engineering. And in our time, they only wanted 5 people. So my father told me that he's not going to tell me what to do, but he's just going to enlighten me on something. So he said, there might be many people with good points as well that want to apply for civil engineering. So I shouldn't put it on first choice. I should put it, but not on first choice, to avoid being redirected to something I do not completely want to do. So I went through the programs, and I saw computer network engineering. And in my head, it sounded very good. So I chose that. I put it as my first choice. And I completely had no idea what it was all about. When results came, I was chosen for that. So I went to school, started first year. Through my years, I didn't have any passion for it. And when I did not even research anything out of the course outline for my own interest, I didn't do that. When I was in 4th year, I told myself that I just want to get the degree, go home and do business. I did just that. I got my degree. I went home, but I had no capital for business. So last year in August, I attended the conference that's happening across at BICC, the Women and Girls in Cyber Conference. There, I met the most amazing, inspiring people who inspired me a lot to have maybe some kind of interest and passion in this industry, because I thought if I was able to obtain my degree with the little passion that I had, I could do so much more. So from then, I met my first employer, who also spoke yesterday, Madam Elizabeth Mwale. And she mentored me, she motivated me to do so much, but it was kind of late because I had to start from scratch, teaching myself all over the things that I already learned in college. But I had to start all over so that I could develop my skills better. And this is connecting to the theme because if I had passion to do this program from the jump, I would have achieved so much more, and I wouldn't have to start learning again from scratch. Instead, I would have spent the time learning new things instead. So the problem that we have is not introducing young people to networking and cybersecurity. And it extends just beyond teaching them skills. It also involves guiding their career paths and helping them understand what these fields are about. Without this early guidance, many students miss out on the chance to explore these areas, leaving them unprepared and less likely to pursue careers in technology. And this gap can limit their opportunities and the growth of the industry. By offering early exposure and career guidance, we can help young people make informed decisions and build a stronger and more skilled future workforce. And how does this affect us as the industry? The delay in equipping the next generation in networking and cybersecurity skills can have a significant impact on the industry. And this includes a potential shortage of skilled professionals, which can slow down innovation and make the industry more vulnerable to cybersecurity threats. Imagine me that did not have any pivotal experience or whatsoever, that didn't meet people who motivated them to have a stronger passion in the industry. So that person gets a job as a computer network engineer and is out there designing networks for organizations. Those networks might be the networks that are more vulnerable to cyber threats. So without a well-prepared workforce, the industry may struggle to keep up with the fast pace of technological advancements, leading to broader risks and challenges, because when you don't have passion for anything, it's very hard to learn new things. And the importance of solving this problem. Solving this problem is key to helping the next generation handle future challenges, especially in networking and cybersecurity. As technology changes quickly, young people need the right skills early on to be ready and confident in tackling these challenges. And early learning also helps them develop a strong interest in technology, setting them up for successes in their future careers and helping close skills gaps in these important fields.